Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it. And here find the option called display and brightness. Once you find it, tap on it, and here you will see the brightness option. Select it, then tap on brightness again, and here we have the list of brightness levels, and we can scroll through it by swiping up and down, find the brightness level you like to use, and once you find it and select it, tap on OK to apply it, and then you can swipe right on the screen a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.